Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for a kitchen appliance that can do it all, toast, bake, broil, and more? A toaster oven might be exactly what you need. In today's video, we're exploring the best toaster ovens that offer great versatility, compact design, and fast cooking times, making them a must-have for any kitchen. All product links are in the description below. Let's jump in and find the perfect toaster oven for your cooking needs. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Toaster Oven. The BLACK+DECKER 8-slice extra-wide convection toaster oven is a reliable and versatile kitchen appliance that combines efficiency and convenience. With convection technology, this oven circulates warm air evenly throughout the cooking chamber, ensuring faster and more consistent results for baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm. This toaster oven is large enough to accommodate most standard 9-inch by 13-inch oven pans, making it ideal for preparing a variety of meals. Its spacious design allows you to fit a 12-inch pizza, perfect for family meals or gatherings. The oven includes a dedicated baking and broiling pan that fits snugly inside, ensuring that your food is easy to insert and remove. Additionally, a toasting rack is included for more cooking flexibility, so you can prepare everything from snacks to full meals with ease. The oven features a 60-minute precision timer with stay-on functionality, making it great for long cooking tasks. With 3 adjustable rack positions, it provides the flexibility needed to cook a variety of foods at different temperatures. The dedicated toast timer guarantees consistent results, allowing you to choose the perfect shade of toast every time. Number 4. Our Place Wonder Oven. The Our Place Wonder Oven is a versatile and compact 6-in-1 appliance that combines the functions of an air fryer, toaster oven, and more. This multifunctional oven offers air fry, toast, roast, bake, reheat, and broil options, allowing you to prepare a wide range of dishes with ease. The added steam infusion technology ensures that food retains moisture, enhancing flavor, texture, and aroma for a more satisfying meal. With its rapid preheat and cooking capabilities, the Wonder Oven heats up 75% faster and cooks up to 30% quicker than traditional ovens. The maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and the 60-minute timer provide flexibility to cook a variety of meals to perfection. Whether you're making crispy fries or roasting a 4.5-pound chicken, this oven ensures quick and efficient results. Number 3. Cuisinart Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven offers a variety of cooking options, making it an essential kitchen appliance. This 1800-watt oven is equipped with multiple cooking functions such as air fry, toast, convection bake, broil, grill, and warm, providing versatility for different meal types. The wide temperature range from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensures that you can cook anything from crispy fries to a perfectly roasted chicken. With a generous capacity of 0.6 cubic feet, the oven can toast up to 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken, making it ideal for families or small gatherings. The adjustable temperature dial, along with the 60-minute timer and auto shutoff feature, allows for precise cooking, while the toast shade selector helps you achieve the perfect level of crispiness. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Personal Compact Toaster Oven. The Elite Gourmet Personal Compact Toaster Oven is an excellent solution for those who need a compact appliance that does not take up much space. This toaster oven features a versatile compact design that fits perfectly in small kitchens or areas where counter space is limited. Despite its small size, it offers a variety of cooking options like toasting, baking, and broiling. With an adjustable timer of up to 15 minutes, it allows for quick and easy preparation of snacks or meals. The adjustable temperature controls of this toaster oven range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to cook a wide range of foods. Whether you are toasting bread, baking a small meal, or warming up leftovers, you can adjust the temperature to suit your needs. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. The Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers multiple cooking options to make meal preparation easier and faster. This model is designed with a high-velocity fan and a rear heat source that ensure all-around crispiness for your food. You can enjoy evenly cooked meals on 2 levels without the need for flipping or shaking, making it more convenient for busy cooks. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.